Did you know that you can actually get the Apple Music free trial again in 2026, even if you've already used it before? Yes, Apple normally only allows one free trial per account, but there are still a few legit methods that can give you another Apple Music trial. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to get Apple Music free again, and these methods still work in 2026. So make sure to watch until the end, because the last method is the easiest one. As you can see, I can't get the Apple Music free trial on this account, because I have already used the trial before. Normally, Apple only allows one free trial per Apple ID, so if you try to subscribe again, the free trial option will not appear. But don't worry, you can still get a legit Apple Music free trial from Apple, and I'll show you exactly how it works. The first thing you need is another Apple ID that has never used the Apple Music trial before. If you have another device, that's actually the best option. For example, in my case, I have another iPhone with a different Apple ID, and that account has never claimed the Apple Music trial. If you only have one device, don't worry, you can still do this. All you need to do is log out from your current Apple ID, then either create a new Apple ID or sign in with another Apple ID that has never used the Apple Music trial before. Now, open Safari on your iPhone while you're logged in with the other Apple ID. Then go to the Apple promotional offer page for the Apple Music free trial. Once the page loads, look for the option that says Family Sharing Apple Music Promotion Trial. Select that option, then tap Start Free Trial. After that, it will open the Apple Music app, where you can continue and activate the free trial using the new Apple ID. After selecting the promotion, you will be redirected to the Apple Music app. Once the app opens, you should see the option Try Apple Music Free. Apple sometimes changes the length of the free trial depending on the current promotion. It can be 1 month, 2 months, or even 3 months, depending on the campaign available at that time. Right now I'm getting a 1-month free trial offer, and the Apple Music subscription will be activated with the free trial period. With the Apple Music Family Plan, you can invite up to 5 other members to join your family group. Next, tap Invite People. From here, you have several ways to send the invitation. You can invite them through email, AirDrop, or simply enter their Apple ID manually. Just choose the method you prefer, send the invitation, and once they accept the invite, they will automatically join your family sharing group. Now in my case, I already have another Apple ID, which is the account I used before. So what I'm going to do is log in using that Apple ID to accept the family sharing invitation. First, enter the Apple ID email address, then type the password, and sign in. Once you log in, you should see a notification that you've received a family sharing invitation. Just tap on the notification, then tap Accept Invitation. After accepting the invitation, your Apple ID will automatically join the family sharing group. Now that you are part of the family group, you will be able to access Apple Music through the family sharing subscription, even if this Apple ID has already used the free trial before. So basically, even though your original Apple ID can't claim the trial anymore, you can still enjoy Apple Music again through family sharing. Once everything is set up, simply open the Apple Music app, and now you can start listening to millions of songs using the shared subscription. So that's basically how you can get Apple Music free trial again in 2026, even if your Apple ID has already used the trial before. The main idea is to activate the Apple Music family sharing trial using another Apple ID, and then invite your main Apple ID to join the family group. Once you accept the invitation, you can start using Apple Music again through family sharing, even if your account previously used the trial. This method is completely legit because the trial is activated directly from Apple's promotion page. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.